In the corporate world, responsibility extends far beyond the bottom line, demonstrating corporate responsibility through first aid. Today we're going to explore how corporate responsibility goes hand in hand with first aid. Demonstrating corporate responsibility through first aid is not just about profit, it's about making a positive impact on society. Let's delve into how this commitment can transform your corporate culture. Here are the key points to consider. Enhance corporate reputation and trust, positive impact on employee morale and engagement, community involvement and goodwill, promotion of safety well-being as core values, a company that stands for something well beyond profit, demonstrating corporate responsibility through first aid. It's not just a choice, it's a commitment to a better world. It's about knowing that your organization is making a difference in the lives of employees and the community. Demonstrating corporate responsibility through first aid is not just a trend, it's the path to a responsible and prosperous future. Because in your corporation, responsibility is a commitment that drives success.